welcome to Sci-Fi Tech. As you can see, I have right here a GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the lens and change it with another lens the most easiest way without having to take the GoPro camera apart. All it is just simply removing the lens and replacing it with another. Let's get started. As you can see, I have right here this tool that you have to pry at 3 different points of the camera. This is point number 2, and this is point number 3. It takes a little work and effort because when it's freshly placed on there from the manufacturer, they use a slight adhesive for it to stick. So you have to do a little work. Now, as you can see, I had to switch tools to be able to pry it open a little better. And there we go. Now it is removed. And that's how it looks. And as you can see, I have this rubber seal that was on there and it broke. So you have to do this carefully, but that rubber seal isn't so important. It's just to keep the moisture and dust from getting into the camera. But if you keep it in housing, it doesn't matter. So now I have my pliers and I'm going to turn the lens anti-clockwise, just enough to crack the adhesive seal that seals the lens into place so it doesn't wobble or loosen. And there we go, crack the seal. Clean my work area just a little bit. And here we go. Now I can twist the lens by hand. It's a little tight, so I might have to use my pliers to loosen it just a little bit more. But carefully, try to avoid scratching the lens. There we go. Rotate carefully, anti-clockwise. There we go. And now turn carefully. And there we go. The lens is removed. As you can see, I have the Hero 3 lens and I have the Hero 2 lens. Now, these both lenses here are both wide-angle lenses, but I'm only showing you this for educational purposes only, because out in the market there are a wide variety range of lenses, ones that are macro, ones that are telephoto, and all types of lenses that can fit inside of the GoPro Hero 3 Plus cameras, or even a GoPro Hero 2 camera, in that matter. So now I am simply showing you how easy it is to take it on and off, and how easy it is to switch between lenses. And if you haven't broken the rubber seal, this is what it will look like if you placed it in. It's not too necessary, it's only to keep the dust and moisture if you're not planning on keeping the GoPro in its housing. So now I'm putting the GoPro Hero 2 into the camera. And you tighten it just enough for it to focus, clean the lens, and you can put the cap on. You can keep it on there if you want. It's only for keeping the camera nice looking if you're not planning on keeping it in its housing, but I plan to just have it taken off to put inside of my housing because I prefer to keep it inside of my housing. Alright, so now I'm going to put the camera back inside of its housing to keep the inside of the camera clean from moisture and dust. Still functions either way. And there you have it. Now you know how to change a lens on a GoPro Hero 3 Plus. Thank you for watching. Till the next tech. Goodbye.